Welcome everybody to another week of the #1 entertainment show on your television. You know it's all about Pree Dis, and of course, my name is Kruddy. Now this week we're here at the National Stadium for the Lime Super Cup. It's schoolboy football at its best. It's our own Champions League. Now for the next half an hour, it's all entertainment and lifestyle. So keep it locked, because Pree Dis starts right now. That's right, it's all about the Super Cup Schoolboy Football Champions League. We kick off this week's show with highlights from the premiere of Destiny at Carib 5. Now we are Pree Dis, we always have what's hot when it's hot. Pree Dis, Destiny.
I just got a letter from a lawyer in Jamaica about Dad's real estate there.
Yes, my brother bought that land years ago. Why? What's happened?
I got an offer to sell the land, so I'll be coming to Jamaica.
Are you bringing Michael with you?
No, he will be too busy.
Gotta get it, gotta get it. Of course. Gotta get it. Gotta get it, gotta get it. Gotta get it. Dollars are for gotta get it.
I saw you dancing with Sean.
You know him?
Lisa, everybody knows him. He's like the most popular artist in Jamaica right now.
Is this the lawyer's office? The time I got pregnant, I was only sleeping with your father.
I thought I was gonna come down here, sell the land that we own, and now I just got broadsided.
In Jamaica, tell me in Jamaica.
I'm actually in Kingston.
Michael has been here since yesterday.
You not destroy my house!
You could have said something.
Give me that money shot and let me give you that credit. I move my body like you might get in it. I throw it up, baby, run, come get it. Who run, baby?
Pick you up so I can get a whole day away from here.
I don't think that's a good idea, Prince.
Yeah, okay, Lisa, thanks. So I'll see you tomorrow.
Dirty Prince, who that?
I'm a passenger.
Who that? Hello? How which drunk are this?
Champagne for my real friends. Real pain for my sham friends.
I want what's due to me, so give it to me.
Tell me a little bit about your character in this movie.
Michael is the bad guy.
Yeah.
He's a jerk, pretty much.
Hater.
Yeah, he's a hater. I'm not gonna lie, he's a hater. But he's just someone who's, he's had everything, that he's wanted his entire life. The money, he comes from a very rich family. He's had all the women and this, that. And Lisa, who is played by Carrie is basically the one thing that he cannot hold on to. And it basically drives him to the point of, I won't go any further.
But, tell me what you're expecting from the whole movie, though. Like, what are you expecting?
I'm expecting great things, man.
I have a small role and songs on the soundtrack. So, yeah, you don't know where I work. 2014 is I work, so, yeah.
All right. Tell me a little bit about your character in this small role.
It's a small role. It's not like nothing unfamiliar. I play Spice's friend, and I'm giving her advice.
My role in the film is more of a cameo.
Yeah.
Big up, you know what I mean? And my role, the character that I play, his name is Pablo. People are used to me playing more gangster type films, you know what I mean, more screw face, you know what I mean, cut up man, chop up man thing, but it's not that this time, you know what I mean, something where you can laugh about or something where you can, you know what I mean, it's a breath of fresh air, it is very entertaining, I love the film.
Gotta get it, gotta get it. Dollars are for gotta get it.
I saw you dancing with Sean.
Tell me about your character in this movie.
Well, you know what? I just play a small but integral role. I'm Iti's wife, so me a dirty prince. So yeah, you understand?
How is that? Tell me a little bit about being married to It. How is that?
Well, you know what? In the movie, Prince is a little, yeah, so I have to just bring him up to speed and let him know that certain things are just not acceptable. And us women, we don't accept certain things. They're on the phone.
After all the roles you've played in previous movies, Get a Life and all of them things, tell me how different was this whole production?
For me, it was like, as they say, it's all in small roles, not small actors, isn't it? So, for me never did much, but the energy I feel from the cast and the crew, it was amazing, like magnificent, trust me.
It's nice actually sitting in a theatre and seeing yourself on the big screen. It's a joy for me, per se. And, just to know the amount of weeks and months that we put into it, and to see the finished product, to see the end result. Yeah, man, it's a great feeling, man. It's a great feeling. Great feeling.
All right, as a musician, you're a songwriter. Tell me how similar are the two categories, acting and music?
Well, the similarity is that the stage for acting is the camera. You know, you're behind the camera, you're on stage. You know, you're on stage while you're singing. You know, so it's the same amount of pressure I feel. You know? I'm gonna tell you. You know, you don't want to mess up. You don't want to forget your lines, just like when you're on stage. You don't want to forget the words of your songs. You know what I mean? So it's kind of nice per se that I've had the experience of doing music for so many years and performing on different stages for so many years, so that whenever time that pressure comes along, we know if we handle it. You know what I mean? But separate and apart from all of that, man, it's nerve-wracking, man.
It's been a labor of love for like past 3-4 years, you know, pre-production, writing the script. Paul Beal co-wrote the script with me. There's also production. Marie Bruce is the line producer here, and Chris Brownie was the cinematographer. And it just came together, you know. It still isn't over though. You know, this is the most important part now, when people have to go and watch it and support it.
Our roots rock reggae, our youths down to stray. Reality I play, for us night and day. Don't you lose your way. Protection every day, cut out the looting and the shooting and the fussing and the fighting. So now bumps, we feel alright. Nobody now frowns.
So it's the launch of a new production, all Jamaican right now. Conscience in the building, always supporting the brand itself. Conscience, what's up?
You know, so I'm just a Chris Martin fan and a Carry On Song fan and a Miss Kitty fan and all of the people I'm in the fan. And I know them for real. I never really know superstars like that, so I just come see what I go on first hand.
All right, tell me what you're expecting from this movie, because it's a drift away from the regular violent Jamaican movies, more love. And you know we have enough love in Jamaica. You sing about it in a song them every time. Tell me what you're expecting from this.
I don't expect nothing. I go with an open mind, but from the trailer, I'm happy for the direction where them go, because you know people see Jamaica and them have the first thing that come to their mind is Rastaman and weed, and you understand. But there's like nothing wrong with them, something about diversity and show. So there's more to Jamaica than just what comes to your mind at first thought. You see me? So it's a good look.
I really am very supportive of Jeremy, who's the director, and the whole process of the movie and the music and everything. I'm really looking forward to a good movie. I'm excited.
I saw the trailer and I'm really impressed with what I'm seeing. It's nice to see Chris Martin acting, and it's shot here in Jamaica and it looks beautiful. I can't wait to see it. And I'm glad it's not violence, it's not shot of this, and I love that.
There's a lot more to Jamaica than just Rasta and violence.
Absolutely. And it looks like we're going to watch and see what happens with the heroine.
I got the privilege of seeing some clips of this movie. The quality, A-class, you know what I mean? I never know some of my brother Chris was actor, but him.
Tell me how you feel about the movie, Destiny.
It was good, you know. I was slightly worried. I was wondering what it was going to be, but it was good. I really enjoyed it. It was funny and it was interesting, and it was all the concept about the movie was just great, and I really enjoyed it.
I think it was a great movie. You know, the acting from Jamaica was great. The actors there was great. Nice story and all of that, you know.
I thought the movie was wicked. I think we need to push for more local content, local IP. Jeremy's the boss. The whole thing was wicked. Soundtrack, everything.
Thanks, so I'll see you tomorrow.
Dirty Prince, who that?
I'm a passenger.
Who that? Hello?
That was the launch of Destiny, a movie. If you have the chance, please go out and watch it. Support brand Jamaica. We're going for a first commercial break. When we get back, we have a lot more in store. Pree Dis.